everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make satsumaimo no shio butter. Satsumaimo is Japanese sweet potato. It's in season right now. And today I'm going to cook it with some salt and butter. It's so simple and easy, but it's surprisingly delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this satsumaimo no shio butter, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Satsumaimo Japanese sweet potato, it's about 300 grams. Half a teaspoon of salt and about a tablespoon of butter. Let's cut the sweet potato. I'm using it with the skin on to enjoy this beautiful purple color, so I washed it really well. Cut both ends off. And let's just cut it into bite-sized pieces. Try to standardize the size. So it's skinny here and here, so let's cut a few pieces on both ends. And it's flat here, so let's cut it into half and cut. So it's about the same size here and here. And release them in cold water, just a plain water to stop browning. Let's drain the water. You don't need to drain it well. You want some water left in the bowl, so just drain it quickly. Like this. So you still have a little bit of water at the bottom of the bowl. Add salt and mix. Cover it with plastic film. And microwave until it's nice and soft. I did 3 minutes at 800 watts. Give it a mix. Put the plastic film back on. And do it one more time, 2 to 3 minutes. When you open the plastic film, be careful with the steam, it's really hot. Let's check if it's cooked. Yep, it can go through easily. Add butter. And mix to melt it. And let it sit about 10 minutes so satsumaimo sweet potato soaks up all the butter and it's done. Put it in the serving bowl. And satsumaimo no shio butter is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. Satsumaimo sweet potato is very sweet. It's like a dessert as is. And the balance of the sweetness and the saltiness is just perfect. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Satsumaimo no shio butter is the side, so it goes here. It's very rich and buttery, so let's have something refreshing for the other one. So how about hiyayakko? Tenshinhan, which will also cover the main here, and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!